here comes Fizz. I think he wants to be a customer.
Fizz says, I know what you have.
Yeah, he's like, I get it. I've never seen a horse. You guys want cookies? Cookies? Oh, good. Now let's go let him eat that. Let's go get the other horses.
Yeah, everybody wants, we have one for each of them.
Do I need to go slow? Yeah.
Yep.
Run up the horses and scare them. You can hold your hand out. And do not go behind them. There. Good
There
job.
you go. Good job, Chloe.
Who else has a cookie? You want to
Jeremiah
just
does.
You see how she does? She just pushes it up in his mouth. And he'll just pick it up with his lips.
I don't have one, but I'll pet you.
Oh, you can't be afraid.
He said, where did it
You
go?
gotta just push it in his mouth. He's just lipping you. It's just lips, not teeth. There you go.
It feels so
It
weird.
feels so weird.
Oh, you found yogurt.
Wait, his name's Yogurt?
Yogurt.
We told him come because he usually.
Well, his name was Yogurto, and then he starts to act like a little Casanova, so I kind of call him Casanova because he has a beautiful little beauty mark.
He's got a goatee.
Let him. He's like, horse, give him a treat.
Oh, they want more treats.
We let him in the camper. And
He came in, Casanova visited us this morning,
Oh.
didn't he?
Who wants? Surrounded. They think you have more treats, so they're gonna lick you to death.
I don't want to get licked.
Okay.
You want a horse kiss?
Go ahead.
You don't
and
want a
walk
horse
back
kiss?
The way we came, okay? Just walk in front of me and go over that through that place we came, okay? Now
Keep
you have
walking.
attention.
Keep
Now,
walking.
let's go back over there so the horses know we're done with snacks. Oh, actually, I take that back. I want to catch this one. 'Cause this one. Hey, come here. This one is the one we're gonna run.
He's walking away now.